Welcome to another episode of Gardens of India with Vegetables of India. Today we are covering Padma's yard, and she has a beautiful vegetable garden, very small but yet resourceful and perfect for them. And she also shares a bunch of plants with everybody, so it's very interesting. She has a very good green thumb, and I want you all to see and enjoy. She has a bunch of vegetables like dundakai, bendakai, and chikudukai, clustered beans, and a lot of them. So I would like for you to see it. As here her dundakai plant, if you look, there are a lot of dundakais, and she's used this nice mesh to the fence, which is very easy to put. And she's gotten this. There's only one plant in the pot, if you look, but she's gotten so many dundakais out of it. Look, it's a beautiful dundakai plant, a small tender one, and it comes with just one twig. If you look, if you can put this inside the pot, you would get enough root for it. So the dundakais, there are a lot of them. She says that she gets a lot of healthy dundakai out of this. And she has in the same pot some gongura leaves. And she has gongura leaves down here. Indian chikudukai, the beans, Indian beans. Again, she's used the same thing where she's used this fence to the fence, and very easy to grow vine plants. As a snake guard, if you look, it's a small patch up here, and a sorakai plant up here. And if you look at the snake guard plant, it is tiny ones. This is the season is almost at the end. And she has an Indian one up here, which is a long sorakai, potlakai. It's a very long one, and they tie a small stone to it, so the potlakai grows tall like this. Very interesting. I haven't covered potlakai, this big one, so far. So if you look, so the stone is the key. You tie it and it'll be good. And it's just one plant. Curry leaf plants. If you look up, she has the pots are also huge, and look at these plants. Very healthy, very big curry plants. All she puts over here is rice water, is what she says for the curry plants. She has the drumstick plant in the pot and also in the ground. And behind that is the Karela plant, the bitter gourd. Again, if you see, this is just one plant which has grown so big, and if you see, it's right there. And she has gotten several blooms and several fruit out of this Karela plant. It is she just harvested a bunch of them, so they're all hidden. So if you see, this is the Indian kakarkai, and she also has this is the moringa plant, which is in the ground. If you look, it looks amazing. And she has this special variety of okra. It's called the elephant okra. If you look at the size of this okra. It's as big as a ridge gourd. If you look, and it is very tender. It is not. She did not leave this for seeds, but it is very tender okra, and each one grows this big. And she says some of his Kerala friends have given it to her, the seed, and that's what she has. And it's called elephant okra. Beautiful okra, and it is interesting how they grow so huge. She has here a bunch of plants of okra plants, moringa plant with a lot of blooms waiting to be grown into seeds. It's a banana plant, perfect for leaves. Plant outside her yard in the front. I have here her jama plant, the guava plant that she has. A couple of varieties of hardy hibiscuses over here. It's a pink one, fully in bloom. This is a beautiful hibiscus which comes in bloom, amazing blooms actually. And again, she has these chilakamokkadu in a different color up here, light orange. And look at the pink up here. It's beautiful. It's nice lush green with beautiful flowers to the stems like this. I haven't seen anybody have this many of them here especially.
Yes, chukakura plants up here, the leafy vegetable chukakura,
And bachalaku over here. And she has that Ceylon bachali, chukakura over here. And she has flower plants also with the same. And if you look at this, this is the clustered beans called gokarkai and gavarfali. And a bunch of plants enough, just a few plants of this will give you a lot of harvest. So if you look up, some of these have blooms. And this is the Punnaganti Aku area, which is almost at the end of the stage. And she has a bunch of goomgura leaves. And you look, chilies are here, lot of chili plants. The Indian chili. She added the flower plants also in this, so it's easy. I hope you guys like it, get inspired by it, and grow your own veggies soon. So like us, comment on us, and subscribe to our channel. I hope you all like Padma's yard. I really thank Padma for letting me come and shoot in her yard during these times. But thank you for watching us, and get inspired by it and grow